In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section background videos in Squarespace. If you want to make a section of your site feel more dynamic and visually engaging, adding a background video is a great option. Squarespace makes this fairly straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it done quickly and confidently. To begin, open the page in Squarespace where you want to add the background video, then go to the section you want to update and click Edit Section. This opens the settings for that specific section, which is where you'll control its design and media options. Once the section settings panel appears, click Background. This is the area where you can customize what appears behind the content in that section. If you've previously used a color or image background, this is also where you can switch it over to video instead. Next, click Video. Choosing this tells Squarespace that you want the section background to use motion instead of a static image. Background videos can help create a polished look, but it's always a good idea to choose something subtle enough that your text and other feet remain easy to read. After that, click Add a Video. This will bring up the available options for sourcing your video. At this stage, Squarespace gives you a few different ways to proceed. You can upload a file from your device, select something from your existing library, or browse Squarespace's background video selections. This flexibility is helpful if you already have media prepared or if you want to explore ready-made options. For this example, click Browse Background Videos. This opens the built-in video browser where you can look through available background clips. Take a moment to choose a video that matches the style and tone of your website. A calm, clean clip often works best for a professional look, especially when it sits behind headings, buttons, or other key content. Then, select a video from the gallery. Once you click on the one you want, you'll usually get a preview so you can confirm it fits the section well. It's worth checking that the movement doesn't feel too distracting and that it complements the rest of your page design. Finally, click Add Video. Squarespace will apply that video as the background for the section. And that's it. Your section now has a background video. If needed, you can continue adjusting the section afterward to make sure the content layered on top still looks clear, balanced, and easy to read.